5:57. So it's currently Monday and I have my work later. And what I did during the weekends is that on the first day I did take a rest. I didn't sleep up until 2 p.m. so I've previously documented that process as well. And then yesterday during this day I did finish my laundry, so I didn't use the washing machine that we have because I want to hand wash all the clothes that I have because it is white, and I really don't want to um, take gamble if the clothes will turns out well, because I did try it once and then the print was a little bit messed up in the circumstance. And yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I did hand wash all the clothes that I have. And it's not all the laundry that I have, so I might have done all the laundries. The half was hand wash and the half was with washing machine, but I don't think we have enough hanger to dry that clothes. And yeah, that's pretty much the reasoning why I did half of my clothes or my laundry. And then after that I did play some video games, so I know it's not really productive of me to constantly play video games, but I recently encountered this thought: the time that you plan to waste is not a waste of time. So what it essentially means is that you need to have some enjoyment time that is non-productive but at the same time enhance you as a person. So I think playing video games with my controller is one of that things, because I haven't really done or gone with controller, so I did try to make the best of it until I am bored with playing that. But as of right now, I'm currently enjoying it. There are some struggle and hiccups that I stop and then do something, and then I get back to where I am playing, and then that's pretty much all the process. And then right now I mess up my sleeping schedule because I stayed up late on my convenience. It's just that I sleep around 2 p.m. in the afternoon instead of 10 in the morning, so I stayed up late and then I wake up around 6 a.m. in the morning right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it, so I wouldn't sleep today.